Following is paid for by the People's National Party.
Good evening, my fellow Jamaicans. On February the 25th, we go to the polls to select the team that will form the government of our country for the next 5 years. This evening, I'd like to speak to you about the management of our tourism sector over the past 4 years and our plans for its future development. Many of you will know that the tourism sector has been enjoying tremendous success. In 2014, we welcomed more than 2 million stopover visitors for the first time in our history. Last year was a bumper year in terms of arrivals, as we surpassed that number with the arrival of 3.65 million stopover and cruise visitors. As tourism is our chief source of foreign exchange earnings, this record-breaking performance has had a major positive impact on our economy. We have created a sound economic framework that has strengthened investor confidence and prompted investment in our sector of some $64 billion from local and foreign investors over the past 4 years. As we speak, some 2,500 new hotel rooms are under construction in Jamaica. Among these are the Sensatori and Grand Lido in Negril, Breathless and the Decameron and Rio in Montego Bay, the Royalton in Trelawney, and Bahia Principe in Runaway Bay. We are now seeing a level of investment in tourism never before experienced in Jamaica. During the next 10 years, over 10,000 new rooms are slated to be built. This ongoing expansion is indicative of the confidence of investors in not only the economy of Jamaica, but also the future success of our tourism sector. These projects will generate thousands of new jobs for workers during the construction phase and thousands more permanent jobs after the properties open. We are going to need trained workers with the necessary skills to fill all these new jobs in the construction and post-construction phases. In preparation for this, I've already met with Minister Thwaites and the team from the Ministry of Education, as well as the Heart Trust NTA. All participants will be trained and certified to international standards. Areas of training will include artisans, tilers, welders, master carpenters, masons, and many more. The future of our tourism sector is brighter than ever before. This is of great significance, but while the sector is performing well, the true success of tourism depends on the positive impact it has on a wide cross-section of the Jamaican people and on the Jamaican economy. To this end, we have initiated a number of new programs, and I'd like to highlight 4 of them. First, I want to talk about the Linkages program. The truth of the matter is that real success must be measured by the extent to which the achievements of having thousands of new rooms constructed, more people than our entire population, can be translated into ensuring that the goods and services they utilize originate in Jamaica. This would mean that Jamaicans would earn the money that is flowing out of the country when these goods and services have to be purchased overseas. All the agricultural produce, vegetables, fruits, meats, provide an opportunity for our farmers. Every bed, every curtain, every uniform, every piece of furniture present an opportunity for Jamaican business. To this end, we formed a Linkages Hub in the Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment and appointed a Linkages Council. The Council's initiatives have been extremely successful. I have to commend its chairman and its members who represent the tourism sector, the manufacturers, the agriculture, and the entertainment sectors. Its work has been groundbreaking. The demand study we commissioned shows that Jamaicans can earn an estimated $70 billion per year